Hello everyone, this is Max from Debior Websites, and today I got the issue where I needed to define the condition in my Shopify website to create the if not homepage condition. Okay, so there is a section right here and there is a small cross, and I needed to create condition if not homepage. So the cross will not show on homepage. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe, click like. If this video was helpful for you, feel free to leave some donations with the link in description area under this video. Also, I want to remind that I can create the free tutorial for you, so feel free to ask me your questions in comments. Okay, so let's go to our liquid file. We need to find our liquid file where we want to put our condition. And usually the condition looks like this: if template equal to index, and do what we want, and if. Okay, but if we want if not, you could see it should be like this: if not template, but it's not right way to do it. So there is another option to create it, unless template equal, and right here and unless. And okay, so be very careful with what you write. So unless template equal to index, do what we want, and unless, click save, and we can see here is cross. So let's refresh our page. I cleared the cache and we can see the cross disappeared, but it will appear on all other pages. So if video was helpful for you, don't forget to leave some donations. If you have some questions or need some personal tutorial, feel free to ask me your questions. And thanks for watching, and bye bye.